If I'm looking for opponents, I may have to drop this down so I've got a clear view of my battlefield and go, oh, there's one, all right? But if I'm in a room of 5 people, I'm just going pop, 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 and transitioning from torso to torso or head to head. We recommend you stay on your sights. There's other people, they're not wrong, but it's a competing philosophy. And there is, no, you've got to shoot, look for your next target, and then come over. The downside to that is you have to come off the sights to do it. So within a narrow field, you should be able to stay on your sights and transition from target to target.
Because I earned it.
On the beat, stand by. Yay! Clean, 991.
Nicely done.
That's not fair.
It says 1052, so I think you might have picked it up.
The ding is louder than the pop of the gun.
It is.
That's hilarious.